Welcome to the Bandwidth and Network Traffic Assessment demonstration of SparrowIQ by Solana Networks. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create a complete bandwidth and network traffic assessment using SparrowIQ as your network monitoring device. There are 5 steps to creating your complete bandwidth and network traffic assessment. These steps include creating a baseline of your client's network, conducting an assessment of your client's network performance, identifying issues and attending to any critical concerns, monitoring the network through the use of alerts, and finally, presenting the findings in an easy-to-understand format. This tutorial is under the assumption that SparrowIQ has been deployed for a minimum of 1 week. We will begin with baselining the network. A baseline of the network is created by collecting data over a period of time. We recommend collecting data over a week or 2, and then creating a table of what the norms of the network should be. For example, bandwidth, traffic volume, etc. Through setting KPIs, key performance indicators, and collecting data for these, you will be able to complete a table of the expected data for that period of time. KPIs are specific to your clientele. SparrowIQ offers a wide range of KPIs. This includes measurements of the following: bandwidth, traffic volume, conversations, endpoints, domains, countries, applications, and class of service. Choose which KPIs best suit your client's network and monitor these over time. SparrowIQ can store several months' worth of historical data, therefore you can easily generate a PDF report up to 3 months on any of the KPIs and save that report in your records. Next, we will assess the performance of the network. To do this, find out the network's service level agreement. For example, they subscribe to a 30 megabits per second WAN link. Compare this to the actual usage of the network. Is the bandwidth too low for the network? Do the bandwidth graphs consistently hit or come close to the bandwidth capacity? Or is the network underutilized and oversubscribed? Consult the SparrowIQ dashboard for an overview of the performance of the network for a period of time of up to 24 hours. Furthermore, generate a bandwidth report for a longer period of time. The next step in the network assessment process is to start identifying issues and taking the necessary actions to resolve critical concerns. You may start to notice some endpoints using the majority of the bandwidth. If this traffic is mostly recreational, you may block that network traffic source with a content filtering solution or simply notify your clients. This will free up the network resources for critical applications. Continuously monitoring your client's network is what ensures that bandwidth hogs do not take up valuable resources. SparrowIQ makes this easy through the use of its comprehensive alerting capability. You can set up an alert to trigger when the bandwidth or traffic is exceeding the baseline of the key performance indicators that you had created in Step 1. The alert system can generate an email immediately, hourly, or daily to inform you an alert has occurred without having to check the SparrowIQ dashboard. Finally, you can present your findings easily to a technical or non-technical audience using SparrowIQ once your assessment period has come to an end. For ongoing monitoring, reports such as an executive summary can also be automatically emailed directly to your clientele daily, weekly, or monthly to keep them up to date about the status of their network. Also, all reports can be customized with your company logo. This concludes the network traffic assessment tutorial for SparrowIQ. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please visit our website at www.sparrowiq.com for additional information or email us at sales@sparrowiq.com if you have any questions.